All right, today is February 28th, 2024 in Caledonia, Wisconsin. Yesterday on the 27th, it was actually 70 degrees out. Everyone knew a storm was coming and the temperature was really going to drop. It started raining at night, so I set a bowl out, and this is actually kind of interesting. In the morning, there was actually snow in it, so I had to thaw it out, and I took a sample of it. This is at 140 times. And you'll see these long, almost like little tiny tadpoles. I'm not sure what that is. That might be a stick that had blown off some trees or something. But I've collected samples of rain before, and I never seen anything like that. Let's see what it looks like at 350 times. All right, this is 350 times. Let's go back over to that stick thing. See if I can focus on it. Okay, let me breathe on it once. Yeah, that thing moves. And I don't know if it's a like fiber or what. All right, here's one of those bigger, whatever the hell it is. Let me try and breathe on that once. Okay, that is absolutely not moving. Let's see if we can look at it at 1,400 times. All right, here she's at 1,400 times. See if I can get to one of these stems here. Huh. Kind of alien looking. All right, here's the edge of the dried drop. And by the way, the parts per million on the water sample was 10 parts per million. Let's see this at 350 times. Well, that's what we're at now. Let's try 1,400 times. Oh, here it is, 1,400 times. I don't know if it's chaff or whatever they spray in the air, but it doesn't look normal.